Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and creating the function project. Open Visual Studio, sign into your Azure account, and verify your subscription and resource group. This ties deployment targets to the IDE. Once done, create a new Azure Functions project, pick the runtime stack and trigger type, and configure a storage account if requested. Make sure function names are meaningful and that local debugging succeeds. These first steps establish your deployment identity and ensure Visual Studio can publish directly to your Azure resources. Now configure your Publish profile inside Visual Studio. Right-click the project, choose Publish, then Azure, and select or create the function app target. Pick an app service plan and appropriate region. Once selected, review runtime stack and enable run from package for consistent deployments. Configure application settings and connection strings in the portal or via the Publish dialog so settings persist between deploys. If you need zero downtime, create and select a deployment slot. Confirm build configuration, release, and precompile if required. Publish the app and monitor the Visual Studio output for build and deployment completion. Once published, test your function endpoint and check live logs via log stream or application insights to validate runtime behavior. Make sure environment variables and connection strings match your local settings. Mismatches are the most common failures. If deployment fails, try a zip deploy or enable run from package, restart the function app, and redeploy. One key troubleshooting tip: if cold starts or errors persist, warm a deployment slot and swap after verifying success to avoid downtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.